Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make fondant. Please consider to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more recipe. Here is the list of the ingredients for our fondant. On a clean bowl, we need to combine 1 pack of unflavored gelatin, and 1/4 cup of cold water. My gelatin is still grainy, so we need to dissolve it on a double boiler. For those who don't have double boiler, here's other option. Just preheat water on a saucepan. Make sure it's not boiling. So now we need to dissolve our gelatin. When it's done, we need to add 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and 1/2 cup of glucose. If you don't have any glucose at home, you can use corn syrup. I always use fondant for my cake designs, and sometimes I run out of fondant. So I decided to make my own fondant at home. Keep stirring until well combined. Now I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of shortening. So we will just dissolve our shortening into our mixture. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our mixture is done, so we will set this aside and let it cool for a little bit. In my other bowl, I have 4 cups of powdered sugar. I'll make a hole in the middle, then I'll pour our mixture and then combine. My fondant is still runny, so I need to add more powdered sugar. Our fondant is started to become stiff, so I will use my hands to mix it. So we will just continue kneading until we reach the right consistency. Now our fondant is done and ready to use. I hope you like watching this video, and thank you for watching. See ya!